Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. This video is a dealer training video. Please enjoy and subscribe. Thank you.
Zontes 368 scooter models D and M can be fitted with handguards bought from a Zontes dealer. They are easy to fit, and this video shows you how. Please take a look at MadMix channel where you will find over 2,000 motorcycle and scooter videos, all in different model playlists for you to easily navigate through. Now some relaxing music while you concentrate on the video. Bye for now.